Let's turn back the clock to the early days of robotics. The first digital and programmable robot, called the Unimate, was invented in the late 1960s. It was a giant leap for mankind, marking the beginning of a new era of automation. But it was only capable of simple tasks like lifting and moving objects. Fast forward to the late 90s, and we had the Honda P3, one of the first humanoid robots. It could walk, climb stairs, and even carry objects. But these actions were pre-programmed, and it lacked the ability to understand and respond to its environment. Then came the 21st century, a period marked by significant advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence. Companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and Sanctuary AI are pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. Sanctuary AI's robot, Phoenix, boasts 75 degrees of freedom, with 44 of those in its hands alone. However, the journey hasn't been without its challenges. Building humanoid robots that can mimic human-like hands and movements is a Herculean task. It's not just about creating a physical construct, but also about developing an intelligence system that can understand and interact with the world. In recent years, we've seen incredible progress in AI technology. Take OpenAI's language model, GPT-3, for example. It can generate human-like text, marking a significant leap in AI's ability to understand and use language. But its successor, GPT-4, is expected to push these boundaries even further, with advancements in memory and summarization capabilities. Despite these advancements, there are still hurdles to overcome. The current AI models can't fully navigate the physical world or understand how objects relate to each other. Tasks that seem simple to us, like doing the dishes or folding laundry, are still major feats for robots. Yet the pace of progress suggests it won't be long before robots can accomplish these tasks. Some experts predict that a robot could be doing your household chores within the next 10 years. The future is closer than we think. So what does this mean for us? It's not just about having a robotic butler. The implications are far-reaching, from transforming industries to redefining the labor market. As Jordi Rose, the chief executive of Sanctuary AI, put it, the total addressable market for humanoid robots could be the biggest one in the history of business and technology. As we look forward to this future, it's important to stay informed and engaged. Learn about the advancements in robotics and AI, question their implications, and contribute to the discussions shaping our future. Remember, the future of robotics isn't just about technology, it's about us, humanity, and how we choose to shape our world.